We are here to view the project, receive an update on progress made and the impact that it is having on the lives of the people of this place. It is a day for us to share the good story that you have to share with the rest of the country. This is the story of how you were able to take a difficult situation like the economic recession and turn it around into an economic and social success. As you are aware, the Granfield Chickens project forms part of such initiatives, supported by government to support job creation and job retention. Government has invested 350 million rand in this project, with UIF contributing 65 million rand and the IDC contributing slightly over 23 million rand. We congratulate you on this achievement. Most importantly, the partnership has managed to create 958 new jobs in the Reitz area. This is no doubt good news. Another good story, ladies and gentlemen, is that workers here at Granfield own 23%. And I heard people say perhaps more. I'm further informed that the staff profile of this company is biased towards women and youth. I saw it. I was inside in the production line. I saw that the young ladies, the majority. Besides job creation, this project also contributes significantly to ensuring that South Africa fulfills its obligation of securing food security for its inhabitants.